Let's fill out the South Dakota dirt bike bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you'll need for your dirt bike bill of sale in this state. First, you'll need a purchase agreement or a valid bill of sale, so make sure you have one of those ready to go. When it comes to the seller, they'll need a seller's permit, so the seller should have that on hand before the transaction takes place. Now for the title. The seller has 45 days from the date of sale to deliver the title to the purchaser, so keep that timeline in mind. Also, if there's a lien on the bike, the title will be held electronically until that lien is released, and you'll need a letter from the lien holder giving permission for the change. Here's something handy to know. During the title transfer, a name can actually be added to or removed from the title. So if you need to make any changes, that's the time to do it. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.